Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And it has occurred to me that I have been swiping with a spatula when I could be swiping with a card. And I found some glasses, which is cool. And my theory about how I'm doing this is I'm going to act as if I'm putting down paint to fill the canvas. So that's the whole amount of paint. Those are so similar that I'm going to put down. And where's my gold? I liked my gold mica yesterday. Maybe I should use some more of that again. Double dose it. I don't know what this is going to be like. I didn't expect that to plug up. No idea what that could be. I guess I'm not using that anymore. I am interested in using all of my favorite colors and seeing what happens to them when I swipe across them partially. I wasn't going to use the turquoise, but I think I'm going to. I could just leave it right like it is, I think. That one's crooked. We'll just make it twice as wide. You know what? I've got some blue I forgot. Let's do that too. And I need some white pearl. I think the white pearl has to come next, and I forgot my purple. So I'm going to put a little purple in there, and it's making me think I should go ahead and use some green. Probably not a good idea. Some of these colors are very similar to each other. Let's see, if I were going to put green in there, where would I put it? Right in the middle. Some of these colors are bound not to go well together, I'm sure. Alright, enough is enough. Let's give it a shot. And I need a little container to scrape off into, and I have one that I was using earlier, and maybe I'll be able to make some, oh look at that. Look at those gorgeous cells. And I'm just going to scrape again. So as you may have noticed, these are mostly metallics and color shifts. This is way more of a geometric. You know what, I'm going to use that color right here. It's a lot more about the swiping than anything right now. Who knows what I'll do with this either. Gosh, I don't like these. I need my regular glasses, I gotta say. Let's just make a right turn. Let's hope my instincts kick in and save the day at some point. That's crooked. So I'm just going to straighten that out. Pull that across. The lighter my touch is, the more color I get to keep. Let's see how light I can go. Maybe that's the ticket. Maybe just drag the colors to get the texture I'm looking for without any pressure. It's different. Don't know what that was. Pretty sure it doesn't belong in there, whatever it is. I am just going to squish a few things here and there. I might go back through and put some black in, that could happen. So some of the cards are getting pushed down, like that, and some are just getting dragged, which makes a completely different texture. And some black lacy holes, with what I'm calling lacy anyway. Who knows what I'm going to do with this? I could do anything with this. I could definitely put some a basting brush, a modified basting brush in here. I could scratch a few things. With the dull end of my skewer, pull a few more. Ooh, that's very curved. Drag a few things. Roll a few things? Not sure about that. Just use it to drag. It's a drag! Not really. I'm just making noise now. These glasses are definitely throwing me off. I think I was better off without them. We're just having some fun, making marks. I could swipe across that and see what happens. That would be kind of fun. I think I want to do that. I think I want to do that with the black enamel. Oh boy, here goes nothing. And I'm going to do it with my spatula. And keep wiping the paint off. It's a heck of an idea. It's a very strange swipe. It might even turn out to look like something cool. Or not. It looked pretty cool for a while. I didn't mind it. It just wasn't making me happy. Maybe it's the glasses. Let's blame everything on the glasses. Let's pick up the swipe tool and put it down in some places. I got some stuff I wish I hadn't messed with that I like. It's a good experiment. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixes. So that means if I have heavy paint, I don't have to worry. This reminds me of something else I did recently. What else have I got to make this crazy? Crazy thing crazier. I'm not sure that was a good idea at all. I think the metallics are better for that. So let's just see if I'm right. I just want to go phew. I think it's the white. I actually like that. afraid I'm going to get willful and ruin it. But maybe not. Got to take these glasses off. I feel so much better without them on. Even though my vision is blurry, they're not helping me. They're from a few years ago, so they're not a good prescription anymore, evidently. So what's left? What's left to play with is the basting brush. And get the bottles out of the way. I'm not hating on that as much as I was. Just sort of trying to feel it out a little bit. Grab the black that's not the enamel. Who knows if anybody will ever see this. That wasn't straight. I guess it really shouldn't matter. It is definitely abstract art. It does make me want to put the small spatula in here. I kind of want something weird like hot pink. Maybe right where that white is. Oh yeah, and we have storms coming. I like to use the edge of the basting brush sometimes. I have some more of this blue, and I'm actually not that unhappy with this anymore. There's a lot of color going on there, but I don't mind it. I mind it less without my glasses. I wonder what it'll look like when I put them back on again, or I find the right pair at least. So I've got this entire corner over here that has very little of anything done to it. And I kind of like it, but I don't think I'm allowed to leave it, even in my own mind. So maybe just a quick grid. That's right, I still have a swipe card, don't I? And I could still do stuff with it. Might be cool. I hope. I know I'm quiet because I'm contemplating, trying to listen for my muse. I'm sure she must be shouting something at me I'm not hearing. Yes, I am reminded I do have spatulas. And I have a black canvas, so you know what that means, don't you? That means I can drag spots. And I've got a smaller spatula. That's kind of cool. I like that. That added just the right amount of negative space to make me happier. I don't mind the residuals being left behind either. They're kind of cool. It's all good texture. So I think I'm almost done, which means in spite of the tribulations I may have given anybody while they're watching me try and figure out what's going on with this enigmatic piece of work, I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Right. You can use the email address below the link tree that's under the video. The link tree holds a lot of links. I gotta stop playing, don't I? Maybe. Maybe not. Makes me want to pull that gold mica out and see what happens with it. Give a little zhuzh here and there. Come on out. Are you not? Yeah, you are. Okay, where was I? I have no idea. Okay. So, I think I should tell you guys, I appreciate you sharing my videos. Thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting all this time. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, check out the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. Yep, I like that too. I'm just playing it by ear. I'm actually going back and filling in. Bad girl. I kind of want to play with this turquoise. So there's all kinds of stuff I should tell you, including there are Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for shoppers who might want to check out my Fine Art America or pixels.com, which are also under the link tree. And Teespring clothing is under the video, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. What else can I tell you about? Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for people who might be interested in searching out whatever I've edited for photographs of the wet and dry artworks, and I think they're turning into mostly the wet artworks at this point. And there's a lot going on in there, but I'm actually still having a good time doing it, so I guess I'm not going to complain. Except for about my glasses. So I'm just going to let that become that. Alright, I'm good. You're good. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you subscribed. And check Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art for commercial-free videos. I don't know how long that'll go on. I'm not planning on keeping it forever if it doesn't succeed, and it didn't really go as planned. I have two books called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Excuse me. I have two books. One called Because I Can and one called Unlimited Possibilities. They're both on the Amazon link. If you shop the Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. I'm actually pretty happy that I bothered to add that turquoise because I like it. It's busy, but it's cool. It's the rainbow block. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, woo, it's hot. Brain melted. I've got one more painting to do and I am done for the day.